So just follow the tabs in the screen. And start very slow. Use a metronome. You should know it instantly because it's very easy. At least the first part. So you start on an open A string. And your index finger on the second fret of the D string. And after that, of course, your ring finger on the third fret, fourth fret. So, like this, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I do it 2 times then. And then you go 1 snare down with the picking and with your fret hand. So you have the second fret of the G string and the fourth fret of the G string. And of course the open D string then. And then 2 strings up with picking and fret handing. So one more time. Then for the second part, the only thing that changes is you're going to use your pinky for the 5th fret. So one more time. So start slow, use a metronome. And I do this on 120 beats per minute. And every time you hit a metronome, you stroke 2 times. So it's a click, click. So every click has 2 pickings. So click, click. Well, no, like I'm doing it wrong, I think. Click, click, click. Click, 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 click. And you can just download once for free, so shouldn't be no problem. You're gonna hear this in a lot of songs, and it's the first thing I learned from my teacher. It's very easy. You can also do it with other chords or further up the neck, like here. The 5th fret of the E. And the 7th of the A, and then use your pinky to fret the 9th fret of the A, so like this. You're gonna stretch your arm a little bit for that, so take some practice. Good luck.